Ah, it feels so good.
Feels so good.
All right, everyone, welcome to Teacher Jordan's Corner. And for this episode, I am getting a haircut, and this is my favorite part. Can't you tell? It's the nice massage. Here's my awesome, lovely hair person, Juby.
Hello.
Hi.
Hola.
All right, so get ready to learn some hair cutting English today. This is hair wash, hair wash. So, my favorite part, and massage. Yes, massage and hair wash is Teacher Jordan's favorite part of the haircut. Yes, what is your favorite part? Okay, we'll see you in the next part.
I forgot in English.
Oh, that one is nervous. You feel nervous?
I'm very nervous.
Oh, you don't have to be nervous. She's the best.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Nice, fresh, clean hair.
Very long hair.
Yeah.
Like a girl.
I have a girl's hair today.
And this.
Yeah.
And baby.
Yes, I have a big baby. I'm pregnant woman, Teacher Jordan. So she is combing my hair. Comb.
Do you want me backhand?
What?
Backhand.
Sure. What's that?
Backhand.
Oh.
Backhand.
David Beckham? I don't know.
So cute.
I look like
So cute. Oh, small face.
Yeah, super
face.
small face. Everyone say Teacher Jordan's small face.
Small face.
Small. Alright, so now it's time for the haircut. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the presentation.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Haircut.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, I'm sorry. Rule number 1 of getting a haircut. Do not make your hairdresser / barber mad. It's no bueno, not good. Right, Juby?
Okay, it's finished. Okay, it's finished.
Oh no! That's not good. I have to apologize, right? So when you do something wrong, you say you're sorry. Juby, I'm so sorry.
Maybe it's okay.
Okay, maybe it's okay. Uh-oh.
Hello.
So, my mask just got cut.
I have a trouble.
Okay.
Because I have pink.
Yay.
Pink.
So, you want to see Teacher Jordan wear a pink mask? Alright, we're going to try it.
Yeah, I can give you a pink mask.
Thank you. Alright, so this is Teacher Jordan's new
Very nice.
pink, very nice mask. Wait, this is backwards?
This is outside.
Yeah, so why did they put it... Anyway.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think they made it backwards. They made this mask backwards.
Oh,
this is
nice.
good.
Very nice.
Yeah, does Teacher Jordan look handsome yet? Not yet. That looks so weird, right? Alright, so it's time for part 2.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.
Well, you're really going? Why? What did I do?
You can sleep.
Oh, I can't sleep?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's sit up. It just feels so good.
I know.
She's the best.
You want sleep. Oh.